Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start on a Mac because this is the one reliable route. Apple Configurator 2. Connect the iPhone with a USB cable and tap Trust when prompted on the device. Open Configurator and locate the mobile config file in Finder. Keep it accessible. Once done, select the connected iPhone in Configurator so you can push profiles. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and not in low power mode, because the transfer and profile installation require an active session. You now import the profile into Apple Configurator. Drag the mobile config into the configurator window or use File Add Profiles. You will see the payload summary. Read the payloads and certificates so you understand what will change on the iPhone. Next, select the target device and click Add to push the profile. Wait while Configurator transfers and applies settings. Do not disconnect. If a certificate is required, ensure it is included so the profile can be validated automatically. You finish by checking settings on the iPhone. General, then VPN and device management to confirm the profile is installed and active. If it did not install, make sure the profile includes any required certificates and a valid signature. An unsigned or missing cert will block installation. Once done, reboot the iPhone and retry with it unlocked. If problems persist, reconnect via USB and re-add the profile in Configurator while watching the app for explicit error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.